two technocrats with us who are the directors, of course, but then the whole swing and the baton of the technology of the school is with dear Ankur Agarwal ji and dear Ankit Agarwal ji. The way you manage these branches and these upcoming sprints that are coming up, more power to you. And thank you, Sneh ma'am, because that's a new blooming bud added to our array. The Brilliant Public School Mungeli branch principal. So that's a big launch because she's here today with us. And thank you, dear parents, for coming down also. We acknowledge your presence, and I'm sure you are loving what my children are doing and what your children are doing. So thank you so much for coming over. This little thanks is one part, but I think the biggest and the most best thanks goes to the children, because in the morning they woke up and they came up over here. That's today in itself a big trigger point, which actually talks a lot about how much it is important for all of us to be present in celebrations like these, because India would never be India Viksit 2047 until unless each one of you rise to the level of the expectation. Children, the India that you have got today is something you have inherited from the freedom fighters. But India of Viksit 2047 will be very different, very different. And that would not be inherited by you, that would be built by you. I believe you understand that. When I say built by you, that means yes, you will build Viksit Bharat 2047. Imagine if Mother India comes to you, not in the shape of a map, but in shape of a lady, and asks you, what is it that you will do for me? What is it that you will live for me? And what is it and how is it that you will contribute towards making me a better India? What is the answer you would give? That answer is your life, and that search is the urgency that our country needs. So the moment you get an answer, make sure you take a pledge for your country to make it bigger and better. From our end, we are giving you all the ecosystems. From our end, your parents are also giving you all possible support. But now the baton would be in your hand, because 2047 is in your hand. So when
yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fold it up, oh, and if you fold it up, it's time, baby.
Every formation celebrates unity, and every smile proudly says, I love my India.
आज हम उन राष्ट्रीय प्रतीकों से मिलते हैं जो भारत की पहचान है। वीणा, वीणा के हर सुर में बसती है भारत की आत्मा, संस्कृति की मधुरता और ज्ञान की दिव्य ज्योति। भी जो पवित्रता से खिले वही है कमल, भारत की निर्मल आत्मा।
तन धोए मन तो गंदा, पलट के फिर नानी, बोली बात और बहता पानी। मन पावन हो गंगा में डूब नहाए, मन रावण जो लहरों में तुम बहाए, जो चला गया वो लौट के फिर ना आए, तेरा कर्म ही है जो संग तेरे ही जाए।
राष्ट्रीय प्रतीक केवल हमारी पहचान नहीं बल्कि हमारा गर्व, हमारी संस्कृति और हमारे संस्कार। आइए इनके सम्मान में मिलकर कहें।
अनेक स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों के त्याग और संघर्ष के कारण आज हम स्वतंत्र भारत की खुली हवा में सांस ले रहे हैं। आज हम आपको उस भारत की झलक दिखाएंगे जो स्वतंत्रता के बाद निरंतर प्रगति कर रहा है। डिजिटल शिक्षा के माध्यम से हम घर बैठे। Oh dear, I think even my clouds are tired today. Mother Earth, what happened? You look weaker than our Wi-Fi during online classes. What happened? You look so dull and tired today. My child, I am not well. But why, Mother Earth? People are cutting down my trees, throwing plastic everywhere and forgetting to take care for nature. How can I stay healthy? This is serious. We need a doctor immediately. Blood pressure normal, temperature normal, but pollution level? Oh no, it's touching the sky. Doctor, is Mother Earth seriously ill? Yes, she is suffering from a disease called human carelessness syndrome. I have checked the patient. Doctor, what is the solution? Very simple. Plant more trees, reduce plastic, save water, care for nature every day. And remember, nature is the only hospital where patients get healed for free. This plastic monster won't let me become healthy again. Exactly. Nobody can replace me. Oh yes, we can. In fact, we have already started. Britain Public School is a plastic-free zone. What? Then, how do you carry your things? We use paper bags and reusable bags. We are trained to make paper bags ourselves. Good. Tell me, how will you stop people from throwing waste everywhere? That's easy, little monster. Every year we learn proper waste segregation through sorting stations and follow 3 R's: reduce, reuse and recycle. Oh no, I think I'm getting a fever now. Mother Earth, you are definitely in safe hands.
तेरी दुनिया से होके मजबूर चला मैं बहुत दूर बहुत दूर बहुत दूर चला तेरी दुनिया से.
When children becomes responsible, nature becomes beautiful. My dear children, every good action you take for nature creates an echo, an echo of care, responsibility and love for the environment. When you plant a tree, it echoes through a cleaner air. When you save water, it echoes to a healthier future. When you reduce plastic, it echoes to a cleaner earth. Let our echoes be heard far and wide. Plant, protect, preserve.
अधिकारों की होड़ में मानव अपने दायित्वों को भूल रहा है. अधिकारों की होड़ में मानव अपने दायित्वों को भूल रहा है. माँ जननी की गोद को छोड़ अनंत आवश्यकताओं की दौड़ में झूल रहा है. नदियाँ
पर्वत मौन है, नदियां रो रही है, पर्वत मौन है, वन भी पुकार रहे हैं। यह कैसा विकास है जिसमें अपना ही घर उजाड़ कर भविष्य संवार रहे हैं, भविष्य संवार रहे हैं।
तेरा हिमालय आकाश छूले, बहती रहे तेरी गंगा। ऊंचा हो इतना बुलंद हो, तारों को चूमे तिरंगा। माँ से है माटी, माँ से है माता, माथे पे माँ की सजा के चली आए चली।
The tricolor asks, what will tomorrow's India be? Green, clean and beautiful, or polluted for all to see? The tricolor asks, what will tomorrow's India be? Green, clean and beautiful, or polluted for all to see? We, the children of Brilliant, have pledged to make a change. We, the children of Brilliant, have pledged to make a change. Come, join us too. Together, let's make a cleaner India our shared aim, our shared aim.
The world around us so green and so bright. The world around us so green and so
मुट्ठी में कुछ सपने लेकर भर कर जीवों में आशाएं, दिल में है अरमान यही, कुछ कर जाए, कुछ कर जाए।
कांधे पे सूरज टिका के चला तू, हाथों में भर के चला बिजलियां। कांधे पे सूरज टिका के चला तू, हाथों में भर के चला बिजलियां। तूफान भी सोचे